So here's how to send an invoice on QuickBooks. First of all, open up your browser and search for QuickBooks and then click on the first link as shown here. After that, log into your account or buy your subscription. So once you're in your account, you will get to see this dashboard. From here, you need to click on the settings icon on the top right corner. After that, you need to go over to account and settings right here. So once you're in the account and settings section, go over to sales on the left panel. So once you're in the sales section, scroll through and look for the option that says order delivery. So here, click on order delivery and you will get to see multiple options. Here, select PDF attached and then select online invoice. You can also choose between show short summary or show full details in email. After that, just click on Save. And that is exactly how to send an invoice on QuickBooks.